I should.
Well done. You're doing better than us.
Well
I
done.
won't be able to.
Oh, you were like, I was so worried about you, like your shoe would get wet, yeah? Look at your time.
Oh!
Okay, alright.
Quite like this. So when I am pushing up here, so my hands are very tight, and when I come up, they come very close, and they come very close, and up one, nice, all the way down. So as far down as you can go.
Add it up. Okay,
Are you
alright.
ready, Ed?
I'm ready.
What was your time?
I think my time was 59 seconds.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
I think so.
So we're gonna try to beat it this time.
Okay.
All right, ready? And go. Nice, Ed.
Add it up.
Well done. You're doing better than us.
Well
I
done.
won't be able to.
Awesome, Ed. That's really good. 56 seconds. 4 seconds less. All right, now it's my turn to beat the time.
You gotta do it like it's like
Really
you broke,
fast. They're really fast.
you broke the record in Syria. Now you're gonna
Yeah.
break it here.
All right, I'm ready.
Ready and go.
Add it up.
You got it. Oh, 23:19.
Oh, man.
23:19.
Good Lord. That was really hard.
You were flying, man.
Are you optimistic?
I don't know.
Yeah? All right, let's see.
All facts are friendly, Tarek.
Let's see what our weight was before.
It is what it is.
So you were 227.6.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
All right, let's see.
ready?
Yeah, step in, please. You lost only 1 pound this week.
Yeah, but it's come on, Tarek.
How much do you owe me?
Well, I owe you $100, but it should be like car insurance. The first accident is free. You know?
Forgiveness, yeah.
Forgiveness on the first
Okay.
accident. And besides, Tarek,
Yeah.
I broke my sprint record. And I needed that extra pound to get that speed.
The muscle,
it was muscle
weight.
to get my
muscle
speed.
weight. Okay.
Yeah, the muscle gave me the speed
Okay.
to knock, what was it, 5 seconds on? 4 seconds.
4 seconds. 4
Not
seconds.
4 seconds. That was 4 seconds of muscle.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is okay. I'm gonna forgive this one. So this $100 is forgiven for
Yeah.
the first time. But next week we'll see how much we're gonna make. You know.
And we remember, I broke my record. Did you break your record?
I did not.
Okay,
I
there
did
you
not
go.
break my record. I was behind 1 second.
You were
Yeah,
behind 1 second, so there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, but next week we'll see.
Yeah. All right, but next week is your birthday, right?
That's right.
Yeah. So we're gonna be doing like a field trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
All right.
take
So
a
it's
field
gonna
trip.
be a different scenery next week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, new people too.
New people too.
So,
Exactly.
Some new characters.
Yeah. So stay tuned for
Be
that.
sure, be sure to tune in next week. It's going to be great.
Add it up.